So we are solving exercise 7.3, where in 14th question we were solving its integration of cos x minus sin x, denominator 1 plus sin 2x. 2x, 1 plus sin 2x, something special we find. What is that? 1 plus sin 2x in inverse trigonometry also told you it's a perfect square, a plus b whole square. Ready-made formula. Okay? And why we had taken this result? Already we had discussed inverse trigonometry. So if you want, you can just go through those videos and watch it. And this is a perfect square, a plus b whole square. You can expand this, and we have cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x, which results to this result. So we have cos x minus sin x, denominator a plus b, cos x plus sin x whole square. The hint was here x, x, and here 2x. So angles has to be balanced in modifying the function. So once we get this step, at this stage we find here nodi cos x is their derivative, differentiation is minus sin x. Sin x is their differentiation is cos x. We can think about substitution method. Where we know it very well, numerator should be in differentiation of denominator, theorem which already discussed. So again I put denominator is equal to t. Differentiation of cos minus sin x plus cos x with respect to x is dt. So let's claim the two steps back here and see what happens to I. I is equal to its integration of the whole numerator itself is dt, denominator we find t square. So we have integration of t raised to minus 2. Integration of minus 2 to be taken as with respect to t. We have to take it as t raised to minus 2 plus 1, denominator minus 1 plus c. Simplified, we find minus in the numerator. This is t. I replaced it cos x plus sin x raised to minus 1 plus c. So this minus, this can be the answer, but normally negative exponent can be taken as positive by just changing the position of the term. I taken as minus 1, denominator, numerator to denominator transferred, minus is kept as it is, minus 1 upon cos x plus sin x plus c can be the answer. 15th question we find integration of tan cube 2x into secant 2x with respect to x. Now when I find tan and sec combination, normally I'll get confused, and the first thing what comes in my mind is two formulas, and amongst the two formulas I'll try to balance. The first formula which comes in my mind, that is differentiation of tan, is secant square. Tan is secant square. Do we find secant square here? No. So let's take one more possibility, differentiation of sec x. Differentiation of sec x can be taken as secant x into tan x. So one secant ide, innondu tan sikre. So what we are left out exactly? We are left out with the tan square. ಆ tan square na ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು secant square ತರಬಹುದಲ್ಲ, wherein I am claiming for sec. ಅಂದ್ರೆ substitution ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So this formula, if I'll use it, accordingly I can try this function modification. Sec differentiation is sec into tan. Sec 2x into 1 tan x ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಉಳಿಯೋದು tan square. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ tan square ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು secant square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ tan x into sec x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ secant square ಒಳಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ t square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ t square minus 1 will be left out for integration ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. So I tried it here, this formula I can try, I can take a chance, wherein f of x I can modify, and let's go ahead accordingly. This formula will not work out, tan differentiation is secant square. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು secant square ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಬೀಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ tan ಇಂಟು secant square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ secant square minus 1 ಅಂತ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆ minus 1 ನ respect to x we can't try to balance. So this formula ಇದೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇನ್ ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್, ಐ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2x, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಂಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ 2x ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕ್ 2x. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2x ಟು ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2x minus 1 ಇಂಟು ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. Now I am saying here, put sec 2x is equal to t, whose differentiation is this. Okay, so sec 2x is equal to t, differentiation should give us, be careful about chain rule. We have sec 2x into tan 2x into 2 is equal to dt by dx. So here we find sec 2x into tan 2x with respect to x. okay, it is dx is equal to half, 1 by 2 times of dt. So claiming for this step and claiming for this step, let's see what happens in I. We have I is equal to, this is 1 by 2, integration of this step is dt. This step is t square minus 1 with respect to t. So 1 by 2 kept as it is, integration of t square is t raised to 3 by 3 minus integration of 1 with respect to t, it is t plus c. Put the value back, we find 1 by 2, we find the secant cube 2x, denominator 3t, replace it back, minus we find sec 2x plus c. So 1 by 2 I had taken within and I had balanced it here. This can be the answer or this can be declared as the answer. 16th question, we find integration of tan s to 4x, which already were discussed in theory part. You need to solve it right now. Homework and ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ತರ ಹಾಗೆ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Whatever we had done it in my previous, but I think previous video we had discussed the same question. You try it from your side. Just check it out whether you are eligible to conclude the answer properly or no without seeing. Already video watch ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So now without seeing that, how far you understood, just try to go for this. What you remember regarding tan is to 4 to be taken as tan square into tan square. 1 the tan square and a secant square minus 1. And then you can claim it for substitution. Think. Okay? Don't ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ you will be confident of solving. So I want you people to solve it. Don't keep it as homework. Don't say already we have done it, so it's homework. Try to solve it here. 17th question we find integration of sin cube x plus cos cube x, denominator sin square x into cos square x. Plus ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So I taken that, split the term, splitting. We have sin cube x upon sin square into cos square plus integration of cos cube upon sin square x into cos square. So here sin square and sin gets eliminated. So numerator sin, denominator cos square left out. Plus, cos square and cos square gets eliminated. But one cos ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, denominator sin square ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, cos x by sin square. So this step, think about standard result. Standard result ಯಾವುದು? Sin by cos, tan. 1 by cos, sec x. We are happy to see this result in integration. Standard result, integration. So here cos by sin, cot. 1 by sin, cosec, standard result. So integration of cot x into sec x, we are left with the secant x minus this step. Should give us minus cosecant x plus c should be the answer for 17th question. Okay. So next, you can ask your doubts during a doubt session. I want everyone to participate there actively. 18th question we find integration of cos 2x, beta 2x. It is x, it is x. 2x, it is x, it is x. So cos 2x result should be taken. What we have cos 2x formula? Cos 2x formula we have 4 formulas. Cos square x minus sin square x. Next, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Next, 2 cos square x minus 1. In terms of tan also we have 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. ನೋಡಿ cos 2 theta 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin square ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ I am selecting here, which results to cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x kept as it is, denominator cos square x. Submultiple. Hint is given x and 2x. Multiple use ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲೇ. So cos 2x in terms of sin square, 1 minus 2 sin square plus 2 sin square kept as it is. So terms gets eliminated. We're left out with the 1 denominator cos square, which is our favorite result, standard result. Integration of secant square to be taken as tan x plus c should be the answer. So trigonometry ಒಳಗೆ submultiple multiple relations, so transformation relations, so allied angle if it is required over there. Okay, our relations use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ definitely you can go for integration process. You can make integration process easy. You can modify the function easy. So here we find 19th question, we find integration of, okay, this step, this question you have to mark it over there. Star anta ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, you can just make it as a 5 star there. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಹಳ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1 by sin to be taken as cosec ಇಂಟು ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋತಂದ್ರೆ secant ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದು ಮಧ್ಯ ಇಂಟೂನೇ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ f dash of x upon f of x ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ tan ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ, whose differentiation 1 by cos is a secant cube. Differentiation of tan is a secant cube. So I am planning here denominator divided by cos multiplied by cos. Terms kept as it is. Divide by cos multiplied by cos. Divide by cos ಉದ್ದೇಶ tan ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ. 5-star step to be remembered. Mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. That means while revising you need to have a look on this question. You have to remember this, it's quite unique one. Modifications ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So you have to mark it over there and you should remember that I need to solve this question once again. So here I multiply, so divided by cos and multiplied by cos. So this will give us tan x. This should give us cos cube into cos. We have cos raised to 4x. This will be taken numerator. We find the secant raised to 4x. Denominator we had tan x. Something situation, tan derivative is, differentiation of tan is secant square. But secant square illa, secant raised to 4 ಇದೆ. For which I would like to modify still by saying integration of secant square x into secant square x. Denominator tan x. ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ secant square ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ರಮಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Again we are going to attack on secant square. To be taken as 1 plus tan square, because this I am claiming it for t. This is t. So definitely secant square can be taken as 1 plus tan square into secant square, denominator tan x. ಇವ್ರನ್ನ t ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ t 1 plus t square. Differentiation of tan is secant square respect to x is perfectly for substitution method. So you can rewind, you can just have a once again you can replay the video and check it out what modification we have done. So lot of modification we have done. Bhal twist ಮಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ. So please have a look. Okay. So once we go for this, we have to claim for put tan x is equal to t. We have secant square x with respect to x is dt. So we are left with the integration of 1 plus t square, denominator t, everything numerator secant square with respect to x to be taken as dt. Now how about this? Integration of 1 by t plus t square by t is t. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. 1 by t plus t square by t is t. Integration of 1 by t possible, integration of t is possible, and this should give us log mod t plus I should take it as t square by 2 plus c. T replace it back, we have log mod tan x plus this is tan square x whole divided by 2 plus c should be the answer. 20th question, we find cos 2x, denominator cos x plus sin x whole square. I think you can make out 2x, x, something special. Cos 2x formula we find cos square x minus sin square x. Denominator terms kept as it is. This is a square minus b square should give us a minus b, a plus b. So terms gets eliminated. ಉಳಿಯೋದು cos x minus sin x denominator one term ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, one term ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. We have cos x plus sin x is nothing but gives an idea for substitution method. Substitution ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದು f dash of x upon f of x ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಇದು cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Derivative of denominator. So put denominator is equal to t. Differentiate minus sin x plus cos x with respect to x dt. So we are left out with integration of 1 by t. With respect to t, log mod t plus c. So let's conclude the answer. Log mod of cos x plus sin x plus c should be the answer. 21st question, you find sin inverse trigonometry, sin inverse cos x with respect to x. And inverse comes, we have already inverse trigonometry chapter I gave you. Sin inverse ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ cos x to be taken as cos theta can be taken as sin of 90 minus theta. Sin ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಬರಿ terms ಇನ್ನ. So cos x can be taken as sin of 90 pi by 2 also can write here. Sin 90 minus x. So sin inverse sign gets eliminated according to properties of inverse trigonometry. We're left out with 90 pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. Sin inverse sign gets eliminated. So inverse function you have to remove. It's possible by using the properties of inverse trigonometry. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಹುಕ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರೂಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 is constant but has to be integrated with respect to x. You can't say simply pi by 2 here. You can't say integration of pi by 2 is 0 also. It's not differentiation, it's integration. So pi by 2 with respect to x, it is pi by 2x minus integration of x to be taken as x square by 2 plus a should be the answer. This is 21st question. Practice this question once again. Okay. And in my previous video also I told you, ivella questions nu kuda, okay, on the small paper alli, ಆ questions ನ ಬರೆದು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಚಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಚಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ 10 papers, 10 chits, and you should be eligible to solve. Maybe the question is on substitution method, maybe the question is on trigonometric result, maybe the question is on standard result. Okay, but hook or crook integration, maybe you may get the formula list. So our question na solve marta how as and how you'll start involving yourself in integration, that will make you more and more perfect. It's not me, it's not someone else, you, unless and until we are just there to guide you. But unless and until your sincere efforts and your involvement, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟರ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, that much I should say integration will be more easy for you, more interesting for you. Okay, so will definitely you'll be confident in solving the integration process. So 22nd question, quite interesting, quite lengthy, again 5-star question. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಹಳ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. So let's go for this. Here we find cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Okay, with respect to x, a and b are constant term. Okay, but ಈ modification ನ numerator ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ divide ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. And for trigonometry, only one option we have to do here is multiplied by sin b minus a. ನೋಡಿ b minus a ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. Okay, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ. Balance it by 1 upon sin b minus a. To modify the function, we are introducing constant term. Sin b minus a, constant term. Sin b minus a, constant. Multiply and balance. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ numerator ಇದೆ, balance ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the constant term ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ integration can be here, can be taken outside. Even this can be taken out, but this is required within, and that's why I have taken within the term. So once we go for this modification, 5-star step, again we have to go for within this term only, within the angle part only. Please see here what we have done. Sin, I'm adding x, I'm subtracting x to fulfill the requirement of these angle x minus a and x minus b. So first step, constant can be balanced, which I done it here properly. Next, within the constant, within the angle part, I try to bring the variable x here. Again, properly balancing, add and subtract. So here we find sin, add x plus x minus a, minus x, we have plus b. Terms ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, add x minus x. So once we have done this modification, 1 upon this term is kept outside, integration of sin of, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ x minus a I taken as one angle, minus I taken common, we are left out with the minus taken common, bracket, we have plus x minus b. So now the situation is sin of a minus b, compound angle, sin a minus b. What is sin a minus b formula? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Write the formula here. Sin a minus b, compound angle formula. I hope you remember. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So same situation here, we find one constant term kept as it is, integration of sin a. Angle ಬರೀತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅದರ angle ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. Sin x minus a cos x minus b minus cos x minus a into sin x minus b. Now splitting has been done, divided by this term minus this term divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b, wherein cos x minus b gets eliminated. That's what we are in need. We are dividing here. Cos x minus a gets eliminated. We are left out with sin x minus a upon cos x minus a, which is nothing but tan x minus a, minus it is tan x minus b, which is ready to integrate, ready to integrate. So what is integration of tan? We have log mod of secant x. So right now the terms I should say, it is terms kept as it is, ready for integration, and at this stage we will go for integration. We have log mod of sec of x minus a, denominator x coefficient is 1, which I not mentioned, minus log of integration of mod of sec of x minus b, denominator 1 plus c. So this term can be balanced with log m. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ log m minus log n can be taken as log m by n. Still I modified, we can take it as log of sec of x minus a, denominator sec of x minus b plus c can be the answer. Normally sec alla answer bidalla, causal ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, but it's not compulsory. You can take this as an answer, but sec can be taken reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ cos x minus a, ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ cos x minus b. Either this or this can be the answer. Okay, so 23rd question we have integration of sin square x minus cos square. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ರೀ ನಮಗೆ, ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ sin square upon this term minus cos square upon that term, divide and rule. So here I should say minus we have, and properly had taken balance the terms here. Sin square gets eliminated. We are happy to see 1 by cos square, which is nothing but secant square. We are happy to have 1 by sin square, which is cosecant square. So ready for integration. We had tan x plus here minus into minus plus cot x plus c should be the answer. 24th question. It is integration of e raised to x into 1 plus x, denominator cos square e raised to x into cos x. Denominator cos square ಕಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ secant square. We are happy to have secant square, but again into ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. But something special I find between this term and this term. ನೋಡಿ, differentiation of e raised to x into e raised to x ನನಗೆ under UV rule, under UV product rule, we find e raised to x kept as it is, differentiation of x is 1 plus x kept as it is, differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. ಅವರೇಲ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ e raised to x into x is equal to t, substitution method, wherein we have e raised to x, UV rule, product rule, differentiation, e raised to x plus x e raised to x is equal to dt by dx. So e raised to x taken common. We have 1 plus x with respect to x is equal to dt. Let's come for integration. We have integration of everything is replaced by dt. Denominator we have cos square t, which results to integration of secant square t, tan t plus c. So we have tan of e raised to x into x plus c should be the answer. So this completes your 7.3 exercise. Next video, let me start with the integration by partial fraction method. So partial fraction, which you had done it in your lower class, wherein you people have solved a question. Okay, let me give one question homework here. Simplify. The question was given in maybe in our 7th standard or 8th standard. You people had done 1 upon x minus 2 plus it is 1 upon x plus 3. Simplify. 7th standard, okay, or 8th standard. Simplify the question. So what you have done? You people have taken the LCM. What is that? X minus 2 into, I should say it is x plus 3. LCM and then balance it. It is x plus 3. Cross multiply. It's as good as we are balancing the LCM. Plus I should take it as x minus 2. So we are left out with it is 2x, x plus x 2x. Okay. Plus 1. Okay. Denominator we have x minus 2 into, I should take it as x plus 3. So this was what you had done it in 7th standard. This is what you people had done it in 7th standard or 8th standard. Okay. Now my question is, when you come for PUC second year, my question is integrate 2x plus 1 denominator x minus 2 into x plus 3 with respect to x. Sorry. So in PUC second year, the question is regarding integration process of this function. Now tell me how to integrate this function. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. We can try for substitution here. Substitution says x square. If I'll multiply 2x, so it should be in the form of f dash of x upon f of x form. You can try for this. Substitution try ಮಾಡೋಣ, trigonometric results try ಮಾಡೋಣ. If it's not possible, then see, anyway I know that this type of function, this type of f of x, it is the simplification of sum of two proper fractions. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇನ್ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್. ನಾವು ಆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರೀಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ರೀಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೀಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬದಲಿ 1/x-2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ 1/x+3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್? where 1/x I can think answer log mod x-2 plus I should take it as log mod x+3 plus c should be the answer. So integration process will be easy provided such type of functions, such type of simplified, which are simplified in lower class, are resolved back to such type of sum, maybe 2 or more than 2 such fractions. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ resolve ನ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ this method itself we call it as resolve by partial fractions. A new concept wherein lower class ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ರೀಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಡ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. This term we are in need. This term is going to help us for integration process. So ಆ resolve ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ 3 basic rules we are going to learn, which depends upon this linear factor. So in my next video, let me start with integration by the method of partial fractions. By the method of partial fractions. Okay. So in my next video, I'll continue. Meanwhile, you can solve 7.3 exercise properly and be perfect up to 7.3 exercise. Plus this list of formulas which already I'm reminding you about this. Thank you.